how to edit and change payment instructions for customers on Ecwid, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to edit it and change it. First, open your browser, and now once you're here, click payment, and here we'll find this one, current payment methods. Now click edit, and here we'll find payment instructions for customers, and that's it. Type here anything you want and then click save. And now I hope that can help you, and that's it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.